Gold has hit the record high levels at 2532 yesterday. I have mentioned in my updates, in my weekly review, in my daily review, that beyond 2510, 2512, we can look forward to 2530, 32. Precisely from the same zone, it has tried to reverse. Same with silver. Beyond 2950, it has scaled towards $30 levels before reversing. Now, what to expect today? Can we still expect more rise in gold, or there is a possibility of reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to trade, in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session, and yes, the US session also towards the end going to bring bit of volatility with the release of FOMC minutes. Thus, do not miss to watch that update as well. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts of gold here, you can see the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. You can also notice higher lows, and you can also notice higher highs. It is trading in this bullish channel. Very, very important, very, very crucial for gold to trade below 2500 levels. 2500, 2494 is the zone where it is going to get maximum support, below which you can expect more bearishness to. Next thing is, you can see that it is getting support here at 20 period moving average, which is sitting right now at around 2510, 2512 zone. So this is also one of the critical levels below which you can expect slight bearishness, but ideally the reversal confirmation is only below 2500, 2496, 94 zone. And see what is happening after the see, after a good rise, it has retraced, and now it is trading in this retracement channel. If you consider this as the main trend, which is a bearish trend, it is right now trading in a retracement channel. How far it can retrace? It is going to get maximum resistance at around 24, 25, 26. Any move beyond this, you can expect it to 25, 25, 26 zone. Any move beyond this can take it above 25, 30, 32. But and a move above 25, 32 is the only confirmation that it is reversed and it is going to deliver higher highs. If it breaks beyond 25, 30, 32, you can expect it to keep moving towards 2540 and in fact 2550 levels. That is the first part to it. Moving averages right now are trading bullish. The stochastic is slightly at overbought zone. If you look at the MACD, it has retraced, it has come towards the lows. It can possibly converge crossover. Right now it is not showing much strength though on the upside. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see 20 period moving average is a good base for it. And this is an exponential moving average. See rise, retracement, forming the base, again rise, retracement, and it is forming a good base around these levels. Thus, it is very, very important to observe how it behaves at around 2510, 2508 zone, below which more bearishness is definitely going to be there. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD on the 2 hour charts crossed over here, trading with slight bearishness. A possible reversal like this, but for this it has to deliver stronger momentum on the upside. Right now that momentum is missing. RSI is comfortable. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see after this big sharp red candle, it is just trading under this retracement channel. The possibility of it towards a rise towards 25, 25, 25, 26 exist. However, I can see that still the bullish momentum is missing, though I can see a very, very good support coming in from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Band. So yes, possible sell entry can be taken at 2510, 2508. However, we have to be cautious still towards 2500, 2494. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD, if you look at the MACD on the 3 hour charts, this is crossed over. This is trading on the sell side. And yes, it is coming at a slightly higher level. See, this is the third time when it is crossing over from these levels. A possibility of a retracement exists where it can hit the bottom here. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar formation here, nothing different what we had seen on the early 2 hour 3 hour chart. See higher lows, higher highs are seen. Also look at these two candles forming a double bottom here, forming a very, very good, and thus we have to be cautious at least till 2510. If it drops below 2510, that is the ideal point. You can take a selling entry. However, it has to be with caution. It has to stay below 2500, 2494 in order to turn bearish here. Right now the bullish momentum is not there. In fact, the downside is also very much limited as of now. It has to break the critical levels in order to turn bearish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, see, MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a sell cross. And see, this is in trading in waves, and this crossover can lead to bearishness. But I can see this is almost have flattened. The move is almost flat. Thus, I can say that it requires a strong move either on the upside or on the downside for it to take direction. Right now, I can see that the momentum both ways are missing. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here, coming to daily charts. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Yes, it offers a safe environment for you to trade and with easier transactions and withdrawals. Now coming to the daily, on the daily charts, important thing is higher lows are seen here. These lows are beautifully aligned. Thus, a selling entry today only below 2510 levels. Below this, you can take a selling entry, expect it to erase the gains from yesterday, drop below 2500, and if it trades below 2500, we can treat this as a reversal. As long as stays below 20, above 2500, we have to be cautious here with the selling entries. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 2520. Once it stays above 2520, 2521, you can expect it to keep moving towards 25, 25, 25, 26. First target 25, 30, 32. The next, and once it stays above 25, 32, the targets are a bit higher towards 25, 40, and in fact 25, 50 levels are also possible. Yes, it is slightly overbought. But look at the MACD; it is still looking upwards. It is still got some room on the upside and RSI rising. So consider sell at 25.10, buy at 25.20. In between this $10, in between this 100 pips, do not take a trade. On the upside, be careful till towards first resistance 25 30 30 25 26, and then 25 30 32. Once these two are taken, you can stay bullish. On the downside, below 2500 is where you can say more bearishness. Below 2510 2508, you can expect it to keep moving towards 2504 2501 first target. Then we can look forward to 2496 2494 second, and any drop below 2496 94 is a sign of reverse. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the hourly chart. Similar formation here. See, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average, and on the downside, see, there are critical supports till 2920 for silver here. Breaking below 2920, you can say that the bearishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to 29 and in fact 2880. Any drop below 2880 is a sign of a major bearish move or major crash coming in silver. What has happened here? It has hit the highs close to $30 levels, retraced. It is just consolidating its position. Also, if you look at on the downside, what it has done, it has formed a higher lows, and this suggests that it is still under retracement. Right now, a buying entry I will recommend about 2960, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 2980 $30 levels. Any move beyond 30 is a sign that the bulls are back in action. 30 35 30 50 should be seen. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trading bearish here, right now looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see, this is the consolidation point here at 2950, around 2950 and 2950. As we know earlier, I have shared several times, it is definitely a greater resistance, and now it is forming a very good support in between 2940 and 50. This zone is definitely critical, and specifically a selling entry is below 2920 only. At that point, you can say that the bears will be back in action and a drop can be expected. Also, if you look at silver, see, it has come out of this bullish channel. It can try to at least fall back within the channel for once, which means it can try to keep moving towards 2980 for once, even if it is bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour charts, look at the formation here. Higher lows are seen, and see, it is showing a reversal sign. It is trying to rise. I will wait for the next candle. Once the next candle appears, and if you see it is staying above 2960, you can take a buying entry. Also, you should not be treating this for a complete reversal, as see, the bullishness here is getting diminished here. Thus, you have to be cautious. Also, what has happened here? Prices have just come down to take the support here from 20 period, and it can keep rising. Stochastic at bottom, MACD. Now this is interesting, crossover in MACD at the top. This is a bearish sign for silver, and this suggests that there is a little room available on the downside. Also, this crossover is coming at a higher level. This suggests that the upside, as I said, 2980 30 at max it can try to reach, and that should be a greater resistance for it to reverse. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here, coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See, this could be a reversal. See, look at the preceding candle as well. Higher lows are seen, and now it is coming to the maximum resistance. So if you see silver trading above 2960, that is the point of time you can say that little bullishness can be expected from there, where 2980 $30 levels can be seen. Also on the downside, it has to break below the support levels in order to confirm a break. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is interesting as it is coming after a good rise, but the signs of bearishness are not there, and thus we have to watch out how it performs for the next couple of candles. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to on the daily chart, see preceding candle, a swing candle, indecision was seen here today. It has started with lower highs, higher lows, you can say, and now it is trying to move upwards. So higher lows certainly suggest that it can continue moving towards higher highs, and thus you can buy here at 2960. But I will say on the other time frames, you can say that it is getting slightly overbought, and a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied. But till 2920, you should not be treating this as bearish. That is very, very clear. Stochastic is overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. So considering this, buy at 2960 and expect 2980 $30 levels as a good resistance zone. Beyond $30 levels is where the bulls will be seen towards 3025 3050 levels. On the downside, take a sell at 2920, expect it to move towards 29 and 2880. Any drop below 2880 is a sign of reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do not miss to watch the next update before the US session, and that will give you a fair bit of idea on how to trade with the FOMC minutes. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.